Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hello, and welcome back to the Dave English Podcast. I'm Dave, and I'm really happy you're here today. Today's episode is a little different, and I think you're going to enjoy it. We are going to do a quiz together, a fun English level quiz. This quiz will help you find out your English level. Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? Or maybe you're even stronger than you think. By the end of this episode, you will know. So get ready. Let's have some fun. Okay, before we start, let me explain how this works. I'm going to ask you 25 questions. Each question has 3 answer choices, A, B, or C. Listen to the question carefully, then choose your answer. I'll give you a few seconds to think. After that, I'll tell you the correct answer. Try to answer on your own first. Don't skip ahead. Just listen, think, and choose. You can write your answers on a piece of paper if you want. That will make it easier to count your score at the end. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? A. Good night. B. Nice to meet you. C. See you later. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Nice to meet you. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't likes coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. Think about it. The correct answer is C. She doesn't like coffee. Question 3. What is the opposite of the word hot? A. Warm. B. Cold. C. Wet. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Cold. Question 4. Fill in the blank. I underscore to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Think about it. The correct answer is A. Go. We say I go, not goes or going. Question 5. What do you say when you want to ask for help politely? A. Give me help. B. Could you help me, please? C. You must help me. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Could you help me, please? This is polite and natural. Question 6. Which word means very big? A. Tiny. B. Huge. C. Soft. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Huge. Huge means very, very big. Question 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. They was happy. B. They were happy. C. They be happy. Think about it. The correct answer is B. They were happy. Question 8. What do you say when you want to order food at a restaurant? A. I will take it. B. I would like the pasta, please. C. Give me the pasta. Think about it. The best and most natural answer is B. I would like the pasta, please. Question 9. Fill in the blank. He underscore TV right now. A. Watch. B. Watches. C. Is watching. Think about it. The correct answer is C. Is watching. We use is watching for something happening right now. Question 10. What does the word exhausted mean? A. Very hungry. B. Very tired. C. Very happy. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Very tired. If you feel exhausted, you need to rest. Question 11. Choose the correct question. A. Where you live. B. Where do you live? C. Where you are living. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Where do you live? Question 12. Listen to this situation. A friend says, I lost my wallet and I don't have any money. What is the best response? A. Oh no, that's terrible. Can I help? B. That's great news. C. You should be more careful next time. Think about it. The best answer is A. Oh no, that's terrible. Can I help? This shows that you care. Okay, we are halfway through the quiz. Nice work. You're doing great. Before we continue, I want to ask you something. If you are enjoying this episode, please take a second and hit the like button. It really helps this podcast reach more English learners around the world. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I make new episodes every week to help you improve your English step by step. Okay, back to the quiz. Let's keep going. Question 13. Fill in the blank. I have lived in this city _ 5 years. A. Since. B. 4. C. Ago. Think about it. The correct answer is B. 4. We use for with a length of time, like for 5 years. Question 14. What does approximately mean? A. Exactly. B. Never. C. About. Around. Think about it. The correct answer is C. About or around. For example, it takes approximately 20 minutes. Question 15. Choose the correct sentence. A. I am agree with you. B. I agree with you. C. I agreeing with you. Think about it. The correct answer is B. I agree with you. Question 16. You are late to a meeting. What do you say? A. I don't care. B. I'm sorry I'm late. The traffic was bad. C. You should wait for me. Think about it. The best answer is B. I'm sorry I'm late. The traffic was bad. This is polite and natural. Question 17. Which sentence uses the past tense correctly? A. Yesterday I go to the store. B. Yesterday I gone to the store. C. Yesterday I went to the store. Think about it. The correct answer is C. Yesterday I went to the store. Question 18. What does the phrasal verb give up mean? A. To start something new. B. To stop trying. C. To give something to someone. Think about it. The correct answer is B. To stop trying. For example, don't give up. Keep practicing. Question 19. Fill in the blank. If it rains tomorrow, I _ stay home. A. Will. B. Would. C. Am. Think about it. The correct answer is A. Will. If it rains, I will stay home. This is a real, possible situation. Question 20. Choose the correct sentence. A. She has been waiting since 2 hours. B. She has been waiting for 2 hours. C. She is waiting since 2 hours. Think about it. The correct answer is B. She has been waiting for 2 hours. Question 21. What does available mean? A. Busy. B. Free or ready to use. C. Expensive. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Free or ready to use. For example, is this seat available? Question 22. You want to make a suggestion to a friend. Which sentence is correct? A. You must do this. B. Why don't we try that new cafe? C. Do this now. Think about it. The best answer is B. Why don't we try that new cafe? It's friendly and natural. Question 23. Fill in the blank. By the time she arrived, the movie underscore already started. A has. B had. C have. Think about it. The correct answer is B had. The movie had already started. This is the past perfect tense. Question 24. What does convince mean? A. To make someone believe something or agree with you. B. To confuse someone. C. To ask someone a question. Think about it. The correct answer is A. To make someone believe something or agree with you. For example, he convinced me to try the new restaurant. Question 25. Listen to this situation. Your co-worker says, I've been working on this project for 3 weeks and I'm really stressed. What is the best response? A. That sounds really hard. I hope it gets better soon. B. That's not a big deal. C. You should work faster. Think about it. The best answer is A. That sounds really hard. I hope it gets better soon. This shows empathy, and that's a very important skill in English conversation. Great job. You finished the quiz. Now let's find out your English level. Count how many answers you got correct. Then check your score below. If you got 0 to 8 correct, you are at the beginner level. That's totally okay. Everyone starts somewhere. The most important thing is that you are here. You are learning, and you are not giving up. Keep listening. Keep practicing. You will improve. If you got 9 to 16 correct, you are at the intermediate level. That's really good. You understand a lot of English already. You know grammar, vocabulary, and how to have a basic conversation. Now it's time to push a little higher. Keep challenging yourself. If you got 17 or more correct, you are at a strong intermediate level, maybe even advanced. Excellent work. Your English is strong. You understand grammar well. You know a good range of vocabulary, and you can handle real conversations. Keep going. You are getting closer to fluency every single day. Now I have a question for you. What was your score? How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments below. I read every comment, and I love hearing how you are doing. Also, did you find any questions difficult? Which ones? Let me know. Your feedback helps me make better episodes for you. Before I go, I want to say something important. Learning a language takes time. It takes patience, and it takes practice a little bit every single day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Even 5 or 10 minutes of English every day will make a big difference. Listen to podcasts. Read simple texts. Speak out loud. Write new words down. Small steps every day lead to big results over time. I believe in you. Truly. Thank you so much for listening to the Dave English podcast. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day. This is Dave. Goodbye for now.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.